Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penbha.
Ka Public Account Committee jong ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela henne kasngi ka khatsau terek mentau nai weng Hajir kapra. Kala Khot Hajir ki officer jong ki artli ki Tnat bakan thop jong ka Meecl Energy Corporation Limited bat jong ka Tnat Transports jong ka sarkar jela ban pan jing panchai halor ka jing syaram ka pisa de ki Klur Tyngka ka balawan ra ye ka jing Duhnong ka bakrau ye kini ki artli ki Tnat rekam jong ka sarkar. U chairman jong ka PAC uba Charles Pongro habai keren berkinong putai kubor hadian balawai ke jialang ulai tu bakat Tnat Transports ka Duhnong de ki Klur Tyngka na ka jing bam siu ki kherdop lum khajna bar khamtam na ki artri ki kherdop bakan thop ya kawai ka baran hapo umling hapo riboy district bat kawai pat kadai hapo anyo mer ka bah hapo West Giant Hills district habakran pat halor katnat penmi boarding jong ka jella uba Charles Pongro ulai tu bawatla ka Meecl Energy Corporation Limited kalapan kha hadu lightly kisnan bakan thop ya ka generation transmission bat distribution penban kam shem lala bantrikam kumbala khmilanti bat bonru kiram kisha kidang ha bansio.
After a long day of deliberations which we had with the Department of Power and Transport, these departments were summoned by the PAC to discuss the report of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India for the year ending 31st March 2017, where the audit report clearly indicated the lapses in the Department of Transport, whereby the state government lost revenue in excess of 150 crores for the year 2016-17. Now this has happened because of the lapses in the department, its working, its systems, whereby what penalty and other taxes could have been raised for the state exchequer was lost, and that was attributed to one of the reasons, which was the main reason, the non-performance or the ineffectiveness of the officers concerned. The PAC in its deliberation has taken serious note of this and given some suggestions as to how these loopholes can be plugged. Thereby, the coffers of the state exchequer can be filled up. The other department was the power department. You see, after the mandate and the bifurcation of the three departments, the corporations of the Meecl, we find that even though the MESCB, after being broken into three different entities, which is the distribution, generation and transmission, there is no tangible results on the ground to say that the improvement in the workings of the three corporations has in any way increased for the betterment of the state as a whole. So are we to assume that after this department was bifurcated for a smooth functioning and as per the mandate of the Government of India, we are yet to reap the benefits of the bifurcation? So there were major lapses also here and deficiencies in the administration and the workings of the department, of the three arms of the corporation. So my honorable colleagues here, I will call on George personally, who will brief you more on what has gone wrong with the power department and what can be done to rectify it.
The state of affairs in the Meecl is not very good in terms of revenue collection, in terms of the financial management as well as the manpower deployment. Since the unbundling of the MSCB happened in 2009-10, it was expected that the three subsidiaries, the Meghalaya Power Transmission Corporation, that is the MEPTCL, the Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited, MEPDCL, and the Meghalaya Power Generation Corporation Limited, MEPGCL, were to be standalone entities. This would have brought in a very transparent system where each wing or each arm of the power supply, right from generation, transmission and distribution, would be accountable for their actions and responsibilities. There has been huge delay in the unbundling and putting on the responsibilities of each subsidiary. This, even though the names have been changed, the MECL still functions in the old MECB style, where there is the main company, the main holding company, the MEECL controls the functions of all the three subsidiaries. This has been severely objected by the Auditor General, and the PSC has taken a very strong note of this. So we have come to know from the department that some steps have been taken, even to date, but then they are limping towards improving the functioning of the MECCL. Now, one major concern, as observed also in the audit report, was with the revenue wing, which is part of the distribution section of the or the distribution subsidiary of the MECL. Now we've seen consumers complain regarding the absurd bills, late receipt of bills, the way the MECL has handled the collection of bills, how the revenue subdivisions are performed. They were still performing or are still performing as a government machinery rather than a corporation. So all these inefficiencies were highlighted before the officers, and suggestions also were given by the committee to streamline all the programs in order to improve the revenue flow of the MECL. This will hopefully, if they come to see all these problems and try to rectify especially the revenue inflow, this will help to streamline the payments of the interest, the payments of the debts, because as of now, in order to repay the loans, the MECL is taking more loans. So the debt equity ratio, the debt service ratio, as we say, which is 90-10, means 90 rupees of debt against 10 rupees of profit. So how will it repay? So it is in a very, very serious condition. So suggestive steps have been given, and we hope that the department will take note and ensure that there will be a speedy action on the suggestions given by the PSC.